Welcome to this guided meditation practice. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Choose a position that's quiet and comfortable, where you can avoid disturbance and distraction from people and technology. Feel yourself begin to relax. Sitting tall like a mountain, allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Feel the gentle pull of gravity on your body. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body, letting go of any tension or pressure. Relax your face. Relax your eyes and temples. Relax your jaw. Relax the shoulders. And then just allowing your focus to settle on where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. When your focus is clear, anchor your attention here on the flow of the breath. Allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm without trying to control it in any way. Noticing each breath as if it were your first breath you have ever taken. Let this become the anchor for your attention. All the way from the start of inhalation through to the very end of exhalation. From time to time, your mind will wander off, noticing without judging yourself or your meditation practice, before returning your focus back to the flow of your breath. Take in a couple of deep, deliberate, slow breaths, just to break the cycle of thinking, before bringing your attention back to the flow of your breath. Keeping your mind constantly anchored on the breath. Now gently rest your attention, just being in the moment, in complete, relaxed awareness. Noticing whatever comes into your experience. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room. Noticing the pressure of the body resting on the ground or chair beneath you. Be aware of the space around you. Gently moving your hands and feet and whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week.